Microchipping your pet. That's this week's subject of discussion with Dr. Joel Sandler of Town and Country Veterinary Clinic, just up the road a piece from Eagle Country on State Road 100.
Yeah, good morning. Yeah, we'll talk a little bit about microchipping. We're continuing our theme of, new animals. And of course, a lot of times when you're getting a new animal, you want to do different things for them. And of course, microchipping is one of the ways that you can permanently identify your pet. And microchips, year in and year out, still are a primary reason why animals that get lost are repatriated with their families. Now, we talked a little bit about spaying and neutering a couple weeks ago. Spaying and neutering is the ideal time to put a microchip in. They're asleep, and the reason I say this is it's a huge needle.
Well, they get scared and they get all fidgety and stuff, so if they're, kind of quiet and anesthetized, it's a good time to do it.
It's a big needle. I'm not going to lie.
Well, how big is it? Show me.
It's a 16. Well, yeah, you've given blood, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the 16 gauge they use?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what they use.
Ooh.
And imagine you're a Yorkie. Okay, and again, it can be done. A lot of times on the little ones, if they're not going to have surgery, that doesn't mean don't get a microchip. We can put a little lidocaine where the thing is going to go through.
Okay.
I, though, happen to be a needle phobe. Okay, so any kind of needle, I don't like the looks of. But microchipping is a nice way of identifying your pet. And when you choose a micropet, you want to choose one that's actually going to have the capability of having what we call active recovery. The one we use, Home Again, actually has, for the first year, incorporated the cost of it. If your pet goes missing, you call Home Again, say my pet's missing. They will actively contact veterinarians, animal controls on your behalf to try and help bring your pet home. And they have a very good success rate as far as doing that. But again, even if it doesn't, most of these chips have a database that if they are lost, these numbers can be tracked back to you. The chip itself is about the size of a grain of rice. What it will not do at this state of the art, is you cannot track them like a LoJack. Okay, it's not like Find My iPhone.
But I see that coming in the future. I really do.
Eventually, with the way things getting there, they're going to get there, and that'll be nice. But right now, these things they're inert. They're very much like the brand new transponders that they have for SunPass.
Right.
Okay, where they don't even have a battery. The SunPass thing energizes, sends it back. And that's exactly how they work. But it's good insurance, especially as many hurricanes and problems we have here in Florida. And it's quick and easy to do. And again, spaying and neuter is a great time to do that.
That'll be about 16 weeks if you were listening earlier in the month. And we'll be back right after this.